All right, this is a quick demo on how we want you to measure a double hung sash when you're ordering one from us. We want exterior side net measurements, height and width. We don't want glass sizes or daylight openings. We want the actual height and width of the sash so we can guarantee the correct size. Most people are going to do this from the inside of the house, so I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that. Take your lower sash and pull it in towards you so it's laying flat. So you have the exterior side facing up. Using your tape measure, you can get a good width, measure in a couple different places, get a good accurate number on your width. On a vinyl compression jam liner double hung sash like this with the tilt-in feature, your height, your top sash and your lower sash are always going to be the same width, so you really only have to worry about that on one or the other. So get a good width, get a good height, good visual on your tape measure, and then that way you're going to get a good accurate measurement. Now going to the top sash, you can usually gently let that lay and it should sit there. Pull your top sash down just a bit so you can see the top. Putting your tape measure on the outside of the window, you can hook your tape measure on the top and draw down and get a good accurate reading to the bottom of your parting or meeting rail and get a good height that way. So again, we want that from the exterior side, whether you're painted or you're clad. Still give us that clad width. We'll adjust the wood accordingly to make sure that clad sizing ends up to the correct size for you.